So the first thing that we're going to deal with in Excel VBA is the range object. It's really simple. What's a range? Well, in Excel, technically every single cell is a range. For example, this one is A1 because it's on column A and row 1. This would be the range called C2, column C, row 2. But not only that, if you selected, let's say you selected several things. This is B2 all the way through D6. That's a range. B2 through D6 is a range. So we typically notate that by putting a colon, so B2 colon C6. And that's kind of the exact same format that we're going to use when we're using the range object in Excel VBA. So precursor to that, anytime you want to get into the Visual Basic Editor, instead of clicking on the Developer tab here and clicking on Visual Basic right there, we're going to use a keyboard shortcut, which is Alt F11. You put your thumb on the Alt key and you hit F11 with your middle finger, and boom, here is the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications Editor. That's VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. So now we're in the Visual Basic Editor. In the next video, we're going to start by making our first module, and we're going to make our first code from scratch. Piece of cake.